Hey Krazies, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all my nightly skincare routine from when I've had makeup on throughout the day or for at least a portion of the day. It changes up a little bit throughout the week, whether or not I'm wearing makeup or something like that, or like basically based on what my skin needs. So on this particular night, I'm showing y'all what my skin needed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's head right on into it. After taking off my lashes and getting my hair out of the way, I'm gonna remove my makeup by using this 100% pure organic coconut oil. It doesn't really matter which brand you use, but it is best because it breaks down all the oils and everything that's like in your skin, especially from the makeup. So I think it's like the best method to remove makeup. Makeup wipes are okay, but I think this works even better. I do have like combination skin, so in my T-zone it gets really oily, but like around my cheek area it's a little bit dry, so I think this also puts moisture back into those areas and helps balance. After really working the coconut oil in, I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse it off with water and prep my skin for the first wash using this silicone scrubber. I also have another like hard bristle scrubber that I'm gonna use later, but for now I'm gonna use that one as the head to my spin brush. My spin brush doesn't have batteries in it, but I prefer it that way. And I'm gonna be using the Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap just to make sure I get all the oil off of my skin before I actually go in and wash with my real cleanser. I like using the silicone head at this step because when I rinse my face with water, it doesn't really take off all the oil, and with the oil comes the makeup. So this silicone head is actually like easier to clean because it takes off a bulk of the makeup that just rinsing didn't get. After rinsing my face with that step, I'm going to go in with my actual cleanser, which is the Panoxyl Acne Foaming Wash with benzoyl peroxide at maximum strength, 10%, and also change my bristle brush. So I actually got this cleanser from a dermatologist who's on YouTube. I forgot her name, but I'll link her videos down below so you guys can check them out. And yeah, so I just go in with this. I try not to be too rough because sometimes it does cause my skin to peel, which I don't mind because it takes away the hyperpigmentation and some of the acne scars. After cleansing my skin, which I did take the cleanser all the way down to my neck, you always want to make sure you take care of your neck as well when you're doing your skincare routine because age does show in the neck. I'm going to take a cotton pad and start applying my witch hazel, which I use as an astringent but also as a toner, And I know a lot of people say it's bad for you, but honestly, this is what works for me and my skin, and I'm gonna keep using it until not something bad happens, but until I find like a better, as least expensive alternative. So after I went ahead and applied my witch hazel everywhere, I'm going to put on my cream, my acne cream, which is the Differin gel. I also got this from that dermatologist, so I will be for sure linking her channel down below. There's also another YouTuber that my friend actually put me on to, shout out to Shlee, that I've been watching to kind of like switch up my skincare routine. So you guys will likely get an updated version of all of this sooner or later. But yeah, so I'm just going to apply this everywhere. I apply only a little bit, maybe 2 of those dot size P's that I showed you. I'm going to apply it on my forehead, my cheek area, mainly my problem areas. I don't really do it all around my face. So the last step of my skincare routine at night is to apply moisturizer, and I'm using this shea butter. I don't know which brand it is, but I'll link all the products I'm using down below so you guys can go ahead and find them easily. I'm only using a tiny bit, which is about this much, and it covers all of my face and my neck. One thing I will say to y'all is when you're applying moisturizer or like any product to your skin, you're going to want to go in a smooth upward motion. And this I got taught actually by my grandma, and she says it helps prevent wrinkles, creasing, and stuff like that. You know, it keeps you looking young and youthful. That's pretty much it for this video, y'all. After this, I just go to sleep. So thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to support a queer Black life today. Happy Pride, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.